Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the construction of the 6-story building at the Spanish Town Hospital. Now work is progressing and they hope to have the ground floor and the first floor finished by the end of this year. So that is what we're looking at now. The ground floor, and I think they're still on the ground floor, and then they will hopefully finish the first floor by the end of the year. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government has planned out here. The redeveloped Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, which is currently under construction, will provide a range of diagnostic services enhancing patient care and outcomes. Upon completion, the new 6-story building will house a range of modern clinical and diagnostic services, including accident and emergency wing, radiology, outpatient services, operating theater, specialty wards, integrated electronic health record system, and e-care that is being piloted under the Health System Strengthening Program. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton said the redevelopment is progressing well. When this is complete, we will have diagnostics as a major advantage. The project lead has told me that the procurement arrangements to secure those have begun. That to me is very transformational because it means that some of the outsourcing of tests which would be done normally will be reduced and we will depend on what we have noted. The upgrade will transform the 70-year-old Spanish Town Hospital into a Type A regional hospital. Phase 2 of the foundation works of the redevelopment, which is being done under the HHSP, was recently concluded. Work is now advancing for construction of the ground and first floors, which are expected to be completed by the beginning of the new year. The redevelopment is valued at approximately $5.5 billion and is being funded through the HSSP via allocations from the government of Jamaica, with oversight and support from the Inter-American Development Bank. Dr. Tufton said the current facility continues to be challenged by high demand in a limited space. The redevelopment project is one of 4 facilities targeted in St. Catherine under the HSSP. Others include the development of 3 comprehensive health centers: Old Harbor, Greater Portmore, and St. Jago Park. Construction work at these 3 health centers is on track for completion in 2026. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.